Hey guys, Jeff Stroud here with Hurricane Strouds. I figured I'd do a review because I'm about to use this new tool I got, cutting these brake lines on this Mustang for another video that y'all will be able to see. It's the Craftsman 6 amp 4.5 inch small angle grinder. It's got a 3-year limited warranty. Don't know what that means. It comes with a couple of blades. Okay, it comes with a grinding blade, not a cutting blade. Comes with your handle, and that's the tool to use to take off your the grinding wheel. Comes with a set of instructions. It's pretty decent looking. It feels like it's got some strength to it. I was using a Harbor Freight one. This is one I was using. I'm pretty sure it was from Harbor Freight. I don't know. It's angle grinder, made in China, which that was probably made in China too. But it's a little bit longer. The Craftsman feels a little bit heavier, which it doesn't have to block off shield, but the Craftsman does feel a lot better quality. We'll just put this in here like so, and it goes there's really only 2 spots this can go, either this side or the other side. Like I said, it comes with just a grinding wheel that it comes off with. What I'm going to do, these are from Harbor Freight, and yeah, I know they're not the best, and they are more subject to fly apart, but these are Warrior 4.5 inch cutoff wheels. And what we'll do, this button right here on the back, that'll stop this from moving, and then you take this tool with the 2 prongs and put it in one set of the 4 holes and twist counterclockwise, and that breaks that screw bed off. And you just toss that up there. Take righty tighty, tighten it back up. That's what you got. Always wear protection. You should wear a face shield and probably long sleeves, but I've got sunglasses, and yeah, go get the extension cord and we'll see how she cuts. Okay, the wire, or the hose I'm trying to cut is this one here, and it goes to my caliper, and I mean, I'm gonna have to replace all that stuff anyway, and it's got a braided line inside, so I'm gonna use the cutoff wheel and just cut it off. And we'll jump around to the other side and do the same thing. One thing I will say is this cutoff wheel does have about a 5 or 6 foot, probably about a 6 foot extension plug, so that does help out. Okay guys, there you have it. That was my short little review, box opening of the Craftsman CMEG100 4.5 inch small angle grinder. If you like this video, please subscribe, and I'll be coming out with some more videos here in the future. Thanks.